Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, you have learned how to solve word problems in linear equations into variables. Now today, we will solve few more questions of that exercise. Okay, and I am expecting you all are understanding whatever I am teaching you. Okay, so let me start question number 3 first. So students, concentrate on third question. See the question first. The sum of ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Now see, in this case we are having two persons. First one is Priyanka and second one is Deepika. And the sum means what? Addition. So if you add ages of Priyanka and Deepika, you will get 34. Okay, then see the second condition. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Means what? Priyanka is elder and Deepika is younger. And Priyanka is 6 year greater by Deepika. Means Priyanka equals to Deepika plus 6. This is your second condition. Then find out their today's age. Today's age means what? Present age. So let us consider that today's age of Priyanka is X years and today's age of Deepika is Y years. And then we can solve according to the condition. Okay. So let us consider that. Third question. Let today's age of Priyanka be X years and today's age of Deepika be Y years. Deepika be Y years. Okay. Now let us use conditions. By first condition, see what is our first condition? Sum of ages of Priyanka and Deepika, that is X plus Y, is 34. Okay, so this is your first condition. Age of Priyanka plus age of Deepika will give you 34. Now we will use second condition. What is second condition? Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6. Means difference between Priyanka and Deepika is 6. Right? Priyanka is elder than Deepika by 6. Means Priyanka minus Deepika will give you 6. Okay. And this is your equation number 2. Now we are going to add these two equations so that y minus y get cancelled. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so let us add. Your first equation is x plus y 34, second one is x minus y 6. Now see, we are going to add it, so y minus y get cancelled and here x plus x will give you 2x, 34 plus 6 will give you 40. So x is equal to 40 upon 2, and if you do 40 upon 2 you will get 20 because 22 is 40. Okay, now put this value of x in first equation so that we will find out the value of y. So putting x is equal to 20 in equation number 1. So what is your equation number 1? X plus y 34. Replace x by 20. So you will get 20 plus y equals to 34. Now transfer this 20 to right hand side so that it becomes 34 minus 20. And if you do 34 minus 20, you will get 14. So finally we have x and y, x 20 and y 14. And you can see there is difference between x and y of 6, that is Deepika and Priyanka. So Priyanka is 20 and Deepika is 14. So let us write final answer. Therefore, today's age of Priyanka is how much? 20 years, and today's age of Deepika is how much? 14 years. Understood now? Because X is the Priyanka and Y is Deepika. So today's age of Priyanka is 20 years and today's age of Deepika is 14 years. So this was very simple question and you can easily form those two equations in this. Now we will move to our next question, that is question number 4. See question number 4. The total number of lions and peacocks in a certain zoo is 50. Now same way, lions plus peacock will give you how much? 50. But we don't know how many lions are there and how many peacocks are there. That we will find out. Now see the second condition. The total number of their legs is 140. Means if you count the legs of lion and peacocks, you will get total of that 140. Then find out the number of lions and number of peacocks. So let us consider that number of lions in the zoo is X and number of peacocks in the zoo is Y. So by using first condition, you know, lions plus peacock will give you 50. So X plus Y will be 50. But for second condition, you need to count the legs. Now for lion, you know, 4 legs are there, and for peacock, you know, 2 legs are there. So you need to count legs of lion and peacock, and then you will get 140. So that is your second condition. Okay. So let us solve this first. So for what is we are going to consider number of lions to be X and number of peacocks to be Y. So let us start the solution. First what? Let number of lions be X and number of peacocks be Y. Okay. And by using first condition, what is our first condition? Total of lion and peacock, that is X plus Y, is how much? 50. This is your first condition. Understood now? Total number of lions and peacocks is 50. So that means X plus Y is 50. Because lions are X and Y, peacocks are Y. Now we will use second condition. For second condition, you need to count the legs. Okay. So by second condition, now see, for lion, you know, 4 legs are there and total lions are X. So 4X, because if you do multiplication, then only you will know how many legs are present for lion. Similarly, for peacock, you know, 2 legs are there and total Y peacocks are there. So 2Y will give you total number of legs of peacock. And addition of these two will give you 140. That is your second condition. Now see, in this equation, you can divide each number by 2. Okay, this is 2 2 ja, this is 2 1 ja, this is 2 70 ja. So in this case, you will divide the whole equation by 2. So dividing by 2. So if you divide it by 2, here you will get 2x, here you will get y, and here 70 ja. This is your equation number 1. Now if you see equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 is x plus y 50 and equation 2 is 2x plus y. So coefficient of y is same. Here is also y and in the previous one also is y. So in this case you will subtract, because y plus y will give you 2y and you want to cancel it. So y minus y will cancel. So for that purpose you will subtract first equation from this second equation. So let us do that. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Now what is your equation 2? 2x plus y 70. See, from 2 means you will write your equation number 2 first, and then you will write equation number 1. So x plus y 50. Now students, always remember, whenever you are subtracting, in that case you have to change the sign. Okay, so this is negative because positive is there, this positive becomes negative, and here positive becomes negative. Here y minus y cancelled, 2x minus x will give you single x, and here 70 minus 50 will give you 20. So finally you got x value 20. Now put this value of x in equation number 1. So putting x is equal to 20 in equation number 1. So what is your equation number 1? X plus y. So this becomes 20 plus y. Understood now? Why 20 plus y? Because your x is 20. Now in the next step, transfer this 20. So it becomes 50 minus 20. And 50 minus 20 is how much? 30. So finally you got y 30 and x 20. Okay. So you can write your final answer, that is x 20 and y 30. Now what is your x? Number of lions. So let us write final answer. Number of lions is how much? 20, and number of peacocks is 30. Y means peacocks and x means lion. Okay, so in this way I have completed next two questions, that is question number 3 and question number 4. So for today I am stopping. Okay, so again I am telling you to revise whatever I have taught you today, that is question number 3 and question number 4. Now in the next class I will do remaining two questions, that is question number 5 and question number 6, and that will end our this lesson. Okay, so for today I am stopping, and please complete your notes. I will ask you for correction after completion of this chapter. Okay, thank you.